Hi, in front of me I have Imilab W11L smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First, we need to turn on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the side button. Once you see the Imilab logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, we need to download and install the Glory Fit application on our iPhone. To do it, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, like this. Then tap on the search bar, type in Glory Fit, and tap search. Now find this application on the list and tap on it, of course, to select it. Then tap on the Get button to download and install it. I need to confirm the account, so double press the power button. And once the application is done installing, give me a second, I'm gonna do it off screen. Okay, I confirmed it, I logged in into an account. Now let's tap on done, and the app should start downloading. After the application downloads, you can tap on the open button to open it. Now we get the pop-up about the permissions, and we need to allow the permission for the Bluetooth. So let's tap on the OK. And now also is a good time to make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled on our iPhone. As you can see on mine it is, but if it's disabled on yours, please enable it. Okay, and on this page we can create an account, log in into an account, use the third-party account to log in. We can use the skip this step, basically not use any account. But if you want to keep your data after you remove the app from your iPhone, it's recommended to create the account because it's gonna save your data on your account. If you don't care about that, you just want to go into an application, you can tap on skip, and then that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna tap skip, tap on agree. Okay, tap skip again. Now we can set up the profile, so we can select the gender, height, weight, age, step goal, and then you can tap on complete. And once you're done with the logging in or profile, you may get the pop-up about the location. You can allow it or deny it. Then tap on the screen, and once you see the home page, tap on the device icon. And here we can enable the notification for the, or rather, enable the permission for the notification. So if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. Okay, then tap on add new device, select device, and the app should find your W11L watch. Tap on it to select it. And after a couple of seconds, you may get this pop-up. Tap on pair. And again, you will get the pop-up about the notifications, and you can allow it or deny it. Okay, once you're done with the pop-ups, you should see the device page for your W11L watch. And this means that the devices are paired. You can also tell by the chain icon next to the battery icon at the top of the screen. The chains are linked. This means that the watch is paired to a phone. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.